We are going to design a part in SolidWorks at this one. So the first thing is to draw the base. I have a technical drawing that we did yesterday. Like this. So I'm just gonna represent that here with the dimension. The large base dimension is 20 millimeter. 20 millimeter. And the base has a handle that locks also on the outside. I'm just going to represent that here. So we have this construction line that will help us indicate and place that. Let me show it's horizontal. Here we go. Next step is to draw the handle. The larger side of the handle is 5.5 millimeter. What I'm going to do is to draw half of that, which is 2.75 millimeter. And then I'll mirror that. Oh, that's perfect. 2.75. Just then mirror that. There you go. Then you have 5.5 millimeter. I'm going to bring it close to the circle, to the circumference of the circle. Good. The other side is 2.75 millimeter. I'm dividing 2.75 millimeter by 2. This is 1.37. We do the same thing here. 1.37. Small dimension. 1.37. 1.375. We mirror that. This is good. And now we know that the distance that separates this edge from the other one is a 3.15 millimeter. So just going to implement that 3.15 millimeter. Bingo. I'll go. What we have to do now is to connect both edges. Awesome. Now, what to do next here is to trim. We do a trimming here to connect everything. Be careful. Control Z. Now, moving this to snap fit here. Here we go. It's cool. So we have that handle placed, and we close the sketch. Next thing to do is to extrude. So the thickness of the largest area of the base is 2 millimeter. It's 2.5. Extrude 2.5. Let's place the hole in the back. Or let's do it right away. Control 4 to see the bottom area. Bottom area, sketch, rectangle. You can decide to sketch from the center if you want that. So extrude cut 2 millimeter. The diameter of the middle circle is 10 millimeter. Then let's draw it here. Show you how we form the center. Smart dimension. Then extrude box, and you don't need to measure anything right now.